Oh, another big yawn. I am rocking, cuddling, holding the babies up here as a volunteer. A lot of times the parents can't get up here. We are here to help and aid in their development with interaction. You know, the nurses can't always be with them, so I get the good job of holding them and rocking them, just being with them. There's a little smile. There's a little smile. Yeah. It's a very wonderful job. They're all little babies and they need nurturing like any other baby. I don't look at it as them being sick. You know, I see the tubes and that, but I don't look at that. It's more of their faces and their smiles and how they react to you. In a selfish way, it's therapy. It's very rewarding to be able to see that. You know, when they go to sleep, you know that you're providing them some comfort in their pain or their struggles. And the neat thing is I get to see a lot of the kids because they are here for long periods of time, so I tend to hold the same ones every week and get to see them grow. I mean, I think that's what's neat too, and get to see them leave when they get well enough to go home. It's amazing though, they're fighters. They all are fighters.
We love having volunteers. It's a great help to parents who can't be here all the time due to work or other responsibilities at home, to know that someone's here rocking their baby, cuddling their baby, spending time reading to their baby, singing to their baby, holding them while they're sleeping. Human touch is very important, and with the parents here in the NICU, they can do skin to skin. Our volunteers don't do that, but still that touch is very important, just for their basic needs. The nurses are great. They're right there if anything were to happen, but they're a wealth of information. We make sure the volunteer knows who the nurse is, and when they first start volunteering here, we make sure that the nurses can give them information that they would need to know about the baby for safety.
It's the best job.